Hello everyone. Today I want to talk about the new feature of HIMAS, the build setup. The build setup, the main idea, the main concept of it is to let the newbie to have a base to start learning or using Houdini. So when they are using Houdini, the first question that the first problem that they have, it will be how to create effect in Houdini. So it's always as a newbie, then you don't know how to start it. So this one is just help you to have a first step that how to create an effect for that. For example, today I want to create a fire explosion. Then I would say I want to create a fire explosion. Then you click the create dynamic plan. It will give you a recipe that the analyze, it will say it's a create pyro explosion. Then there's a confidence level is 97%, so that means it's quite accurate. Then it will give you a recipe, say that there's 8 elements you need to have, and this is the order that the recipe that you need to follow. So that means it will create a source geometry, pivot source, generate a pivot emission, etc., etc. So let's say at this point you still don't know what to create for this egg element. Then you can press the approve and build. This one, then it will ask you, or do you really want to build something by the system? Then you can click yes. Then it will create a template coming up that each of the sticky note here, it will tell you which each of this node, the role in this, the role of each of this node in this setup. So let's say the pivot source geometry, then here it will tell you that it provides the shape of the emission smoke and fire, something like that. So and you can see here, it's already have a proper explosion there that you can as a base to go along with the sticky node, and then you can also step by step to understand what each of the node it represent here. Then you can learn along this simple setup for that. In the Houdini setup, there is one thing that is always happen is you will have the setup there, but in the viewport, it will be empty. So it will be something like that. The setup is there. The thing, if you play plus, if you plus play, not play plus, sorry. If you plus play, then there's an empty scene there. It's always happened in Houdini. Then you can go to the diagnose function. Then you can select the overall scene. Then you press run. It will go through the whole scene and scan the whole scene. This one is different from a bit different from the explain and review, because this one it will help you to analyze the scene, what is not going through to causing the viewport or the function is not working. So it will give you the it will give you the note that wait it will give you the analyze of this thing, and then tell you that which one that is not function. Yeah, just now maybe got some problem. Yeah, demo always have problem, but at least now it's working. It will tell you that there is a warning in the generate emission. Then it's in this node that the create explosion emission is not working. So So it will guide you to inspect which node that you should go, or which node before that you should have something. So let's say now the object HIMAS, this pivot field is not working, and then the simulate pivot also is not working. Then you can go to inspect and see why these two don't have is empty in the viewport, and also it have a note say that the density is the density of the emission is missing, something like that. So that means it can help you to analyze the scene, that which part that is not going through, and then you can, based on this analyze, to go through the node that affected, and then see which one, how to fix it, or what thing that you are missing. So instead of using the scan current hit function, this one is more go through the warning instead of the error for that, and then it will help you to fix the problem that is not an error level, it's just something missing here. So these two new function, it can help the user to learn Houdini and get a better understanding of Houdini for that. Yeah, this is the new function today I want to talk about, and thank you. If you have any question, or if you really want to have a trial version of this, just let me know and contact me for that. Thank you.